Welcome to lesson 63 part 2. In the first part of the workshop we have noticed that the meditation fourth chakra happening within human body because of the creator's space eastern window and the Hirde TC value 21 parallel with 21 and the happenings. Now in part 2 our concentration is to remain as to how the Purush formulation and Surya formulations are of interrelated phases. For it, Yoganistha and Sankhyanistha both are to be taken up simultaneously for its appreciation that both take to the same sthan, means number 19, that is the southern hemisphere, which is a man, which is Indriya. These are the features which are to, and yoga is 12, Sankhya is 20, value 1 to 12 leads to 1 to 20 factors, and 1 to 20 numbers take 1 to 37. 1 to 37 numbers take 1 to 177, and 1 to 77 number take 177. These are the sequential phases. Purusha is 24, Surya is 13. 24 is 13 plus 11. 11 is the dimension of 13, and then 11 as 11 geometries of 5 space and 13 as 13 geometries of 6 space both get superimposed, and the synthesis format we know as of value 19, 20 and minus 2, 31 and 30 and so on. These all features are there. The intellectual understanding is like this. However, one is to have a further clear comprehension as their Purusha, Khyar 12, Akshar 13, Uttam 20, and then it is a Purusha, it will make 36, here it will be 37, and here it will be 44. We know 36 as 6 square takes us to a 5-7 grid, taking 6 space, double digit numbers as value 36, and step ahead is 37. 37 we know is h5 and small h5 is 6 space as origin of a 5 space, and 44 is Paramvijom, transcendental space. These conceptually further take us to that 6 space hypercube 6 is a raised to power 6 is to 12 p raised to power 5 transcendental boundary of 12 components, and it takes to Khyar. Then we know there are 13 geometries and it takes us to Akshar. Then 6 space is hypercube 6, 22, and it takes to the Uttam Push. These are the further conceptual, intellectual understanding features. But for this all, the practical attainment is going to be that one is to meditate. Meditation is a phenomenon of transformation within creator space, that is within heart. Within heart, the transformation happening is that within the creator's space is a seat of Lord Shiva, the transcendental Lord, Lord with triple eyes and five heads. And because of this, there happens an explosion, a transcendental phenomenon. And it is this phenomenon which creates a transcendental cavity for it, for the transcendental flow. There is a within heart, there is a flow of a rakt. Rakt is of TC value 10, and this 10 means hypercube 3, means 3 space as dimension of a 5 space. Therefore, this blood flows within nadis, nadi nerves. This is of TC value 19, and this 19 is the value which is of a southern hemisphere. It is this that way the flow of the blood within the human body, which is from the heart. This flow of the heart is because of this happening of a transcendental meditation. Now, this meditation, as it is, will having an effect upon what? It will be having effect upon the blood, its formulation, and it also will be having upon the all other transformations within the body. Therefore, sadhakas who want to apply this basis-based mathematics for their understanding, they shall first understand it intellectually as to how there happens a transformation for a param. It is the param 44, which is Uttam Purush. And for Uttam Purush, we have to meditate. And meditation would mean a transcendental meditation, attaining the required transcendental transformation in the blood itself, and then in its circulation. And that means circulation is going to be through the nerves, the nadis, and it is being a 19, and it also is a man, a mind. So this will affect this transformation of a blood. Its circulation will have effect upon the nerves, and then ultimately it will have upon indriyas, all the senses, and finally upon the man itself. Once these all things are directly interrelated, directly connected with the way we are meditating, and then on the formulation on is TC value 18, and it is going to be H5. So H5 will be from an, and small h5 19 is going to be from meditation. If our food and meditation both are formatted, then it will amount to a natural medicine. It is aushadhi. The aushadhi is the word which deserves to be seen. It is 9, it is 7, and it is 11. Now see, it is 27. 27 is 3 raised to power 3, and it is prarabdha. What we are creating is also can be created with the proper aushadhi as well. That is why aushadhi, when is related with man, it is called an is param aushadhi. Food itself becomes the medicine when it is along with the meditation. These all features, as these are the realistic features, and Vedic sciences that way will take us on the one hand to yoga and to Sankhya. Yoga darshan and Sankhya darshan are two nishtha, convictions, faiths which work. One is to have simultaneous application of both. With it, when we are having the understanding of the enlightenments of Vibhuti Yoga, 10th yoga of Gita, then amongst Vibhuti Yoga, one of the enlightenment preserved is Lord Krishna preserves as that amongst Munis, those who meditate, who is Kapil Muni. Now see, Kapil Muni is the Adi Muni of his Sankhya. This word Kapil Muni will take us to 2, 7, 6, 12, and 10. See, it is 37, and 37 is Shri Bhagavan. And then 37 we have seen is H5 and small h5. It takes us to food and it takes us to mind. So it is the food and mind. Both are to be taken care of. As such, all of us who want to have a real glimpse of the potentialities of Vedic mathematics, science and technology, and those who have glimpsed Purushottam Yoga, they will appreciate as that we can reach the Chark Sahita as well as we can reach Shatpat Brahman. These two scriptures, Chark Sahita and Shatpat Brahman, are having their basis base mathematics, Vedic mathematics, which availing both Yoga and Sankhya. It is the Swadhyaya and Tapa. It is Yajna along with Jap. Therefore, let us visit, glimpse, comprehend, imbibe, adopt, and avail these values of Vedic mathematics. Thank you very much.